Tired of seeing this device doesn't support receiving Miracast when you're trying to wirelessly connect your Windows computer to a bigger screen? Let's fix that. First, we need to confirm your system specs. Open the Run dialog box by pressing the Windows key +R, then type DirectX and hit Enter. The DirectX Diagnostic tool will pop up. Check the System tab and confirm your operating system is Windows 81 or later and that your DirectX version is 11 or higher. Miracast needs these to function correctly. Now, click on the Display tab under Drivers. Look for Miracast. It should say Available with HDCP. If it says Not Supported, your graphics card or drivers might be the problem. Updating your drivers is crucial. Search for Windows Update in the search bar and open it. Click Check for updates and install any available driver updates, especially for your graphics card and network adapter. Next, let's manually update your network adapter. Search for Device Manager and open it. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click on your wireless adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find the latest drivers online. Restart your computer after the update. Sometimes, the wireless display feature isn't enabled. Search for Turn Windows Features on or off and open it. Scroll down and make sure Wireless Display is checked. Click OK and restart your computer. Finally, make sure both your computer and the receiving device, like your TV, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, try connecting again via the Connect Quick Action tile in the Action Center, accessible by clicking the notification icon in the bottom right corner. With these steps, you should be able to project your screen wirelessly. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment below, and we'll try to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips.